Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Lambo Door Kit is probably one of the most eye-catching modifications you can make to your car. This kit transforms your ordinary doors into a head-turning spectacle, mimicking the style of high-end sports cars. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Lambo Door Kits, exploring what makes them tick, and helping you decide if this is the right upgrade for your ride. Get ready to elevate your car's style. Number 5. Lambo Door Kit for Audi, Dodge, Ford, Honda, Toyota. This universal vertical door kit is made of strong, wear-resistant steel. It's designed for use in most car models, including convertibles. The kit includes a pair of vertical door hinge kits, support rods, and mounting bolts. With these tools, the car doors can be easily modified. With these vertical door hinges, the door can open in narrow areas, preventing damage to pedestrians and the doors themselves. The vertical door hinges won't damage the original car structure. It's easy to install, changing the traditional outward opening to an upward opening. The Lambo-style door kit is compatible with most cars, including Chevrolet, Nissan, Mazda, Ford, Subaru, and Toyota. It's a versatile upgrade for many vehicles. What we like. This kit is built with premium, durable steel, ensuring longevity and reliability. It's designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, making it a versatile choice. If you are looking for a robust and widely compatible solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Does not bolt onto 2005 Chrysler 300 so car must be welded and cut. Eventually I found out that it's because pistons don't close to 12 how it says in the paperwork, they only close to almost 13 inches, so they kept being off almost an inch every time because of their pistons. Number 4. TBVECHI Universal Lambo Door Bolt Kit. This is a vertical door hinge kit. It's designed for easy, bolt-on installation. The kit allows the doors to open upwards instead of outwards. This kit transforms the way your car doors open. It replaces the traditional outward swing with a stylish, upward motion. It's a unique upgrade. The kit is designed for universal usage. Because the hinge positions are similar to standard cars, it fits most vehicles. This includes open cars. With this kit, you can open your doors even in tight spaces. This design helps to avoid damage to both the doors and anything nearby. It's practical and stylish. It's compatible with many car models. This includes Chevrolet, Nissan, Mazda, Ford, Subaru, and Toyota. The package includes one vertical doors hinge kit. What we like. This kit offers a straightforward bolt-on installation, simplifying the modification process. The adjustable 90-degree design ensures a perfect fit for most cars. If you value ease of installation and a precise fit, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. Make brackets for the hinge first, then line up to the door and make a bracket to leverage the door bolt holes. They do both bolt and weld. Even then it is a major pain to keep the doors lined up right. Number 3. Universal Vertical Doors Bolt Kit. Tired of the ordinary? This kit transforms your car's doors. It offers a unique, head-turning look that sets it apart from the crowd. Designed for easy installation, this kit fits almost any car. The bolt-on design means you can upgrade your vehicle without major modifications. These vertical doors open upwards, a dramatic change from traditional doors. This design not only looks cool but also provides convenience in tight spaces. Opening doors in crowded areas can be a hassle. With this kit, you can open the doors even in narrow spots, preventing damage to both the doors and surrounding objects. The kit includes two 90-degree structures. It also comes with 4 gas-charged struts of 150 psi, ensuring smooth and controlled door movement. What we like. This kit includes a 90-degree structure and gas-charged struts for smooth operation. It is designed for universal usage and is compatible with most cars. If you like a kit that provides both functionality and a sleek look, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit is universal and fits many different cars. The doors open and close smoothly. The design is very eye-catching. Number 2. Nissan 350Z 2DR Bolt-on Lambo Doors Kit. This kit includes 2 carbon steel hinges, ensuring durability and smooth operation. They are designed to withstand the test of time, providing reliable performance. The kit also features 2 high-power gas shocks. These shocks provide the necessary force to lift and hold the doors open, enhancing the car's unique style. Included is all the necessary installation hardware. This ensures that everything needed for a proper installation is provided, making the process straightforward. A detailed instruction manual is provided to guide you through the installation process. It offers step-by-step instructions to help you install it correctly. The product comes with a lifetime warranty. This warranty provides peace of mind, assuring you of the product's quality and the manufacturer's commitment. What we like. This kit features carbon steel hinges for durability and comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring peace of mind. It includes all the necessary installation hardware and a detailed manual. If you are a Nissan 350Z2DR owner and want a reliable, long-lasting upgrade, this kit is the perfect choice. What people say. The kit came with an instruction manual and all the necessary hardware. The doors function well, but I would recommend greasing the Zerk fittings before bolting on the hinges because one of the fittings pointing towards the door is hard to grease due to the door being in the way, 3 inches of clearance. The door must be opened 35% horizontally, basically, halfway of the original opening angle, before they pass the nub in order to raise them vertically. Number 1. Hummer H2 Bolt-On Vertical Lambo Doors Kit. Tired of the same old look? This kit is designed to transform your Hummer H2. It will make your car stand out from the crowd. The kit includes 2 carbon steel hinges. They are built to last and ensure smooth operation for years to come. This kit features 2 high-power gas shocks. They provide the necessary support for the doors, ensuring they open and close effortlessly. The kit comes with all the necessary installation hardware. Plus, it includes a detailed instruction manual to guide you through the process. We stand behind the quality of this product with a lifetime warranty. You can rest assured that it's a reliable and durable upgrade for your vehicle. What we like. This kit features carbon steel hinges for durability and comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring peace of mind. It includes all the necessary installation hardware and a detailed manual. If you are a Hummer H2 owner and want a reliable, long-lasting upgrade, this kit is the perfect choice. What people say. I ordered the vertical doors. I installed it today. Looks great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.